Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing just a balloon garland outside for a baby shower. We are using the colors pink and gold. And right now and they both by Text. Right now I am just building my structure, seeing how I want everything to be. And I'm just using 2 clusters at a time to build the structure. And these clusters are made of 6 balloons. So I have 2 clusters of 6 balloons tied together, and I'm just using that to build the base. And for the pink, I had a mixture of 11 and 18-inch balloons mixed together. And for the gold, I just had 11, 5-inch, and 24-inch balloons. And I also had 24-inch in the pink as well. For the top part, I did use a 160Q, as well as I attached it to their wooden pole, a 160Q, and I just tied it directly there. After I finish building the structure, I'm just going to go around and start thickening the garland out to see how I want it. I honestly didn't really have too much of a plan. I'm sorry I missed some footage where I added on that 24-inch balloons. Well, I did have the footage, but I couldn't use it. But I'm just attaching that gold one, and I'm attaching it to the cluster at the bottom and on the right side, just so it's not moving around. And I end up moving that 24-inch balloons a little further up, and then I'll be just shaping it around. I had someone, her name's Noelle. She reached out. She wanted to just come and intern with me just to learn. So throughout the video, I was like talking to her. Well, throughout me making this setup, I was talking to her, explaining things to her, and getting the feel of things and just talking things out. I really enjoyed that a lot, actually. I guess because I like talking about balloons. So, it was fun just to talk. Just talk. But here I go. I added that 18-inch at the top because it was just all 11-inch balloons, and I wanted to break it up a little bit, break up their structure. And here I'm adding just a quad of 4 balloons at the very bottom because I want the garland to kind of come down and have a point at the end. I didn't want it to just be a really thick ending. And the thing is, at this moment, I added this 24-inch balloon gold, which I did not like at the end. And the funny thing is, the same time I was talking to her, I believe, about how not adding like big, large balloons right at the side of your garlands, try to keep them in the middle, and unconsciously I kind of did that. So it's definitely some things I would change on here, and I'll explain to you guys at the end, or even now. Like that 24-inch gold, as I mentioned, I would now move it to the top on their right side, because I ended up not adding anything there. I try to add a cluster there, but I didn't like it. Sometimes when you add a cluster and it thickens it out, but it also looks too busy at the same time. So I think that 24-inch gold would have been perfect right there. And I would have did that. And right now I'm just explaining to her like the difference in like 5-inch balloons, and when I use a 4-inch cluster versus a 3-inch cluster for the balloon, and showing how the 3-inch ones like sit right in the middle if you have 3 balloons going around. And she now going in and adding some clusters on, and I'm adding everything on, as you guys know, using the neck of the balloon. But yeah, as I mentioned, that 24-inch, a big balloon, I would have just added right there where I'm at right now. I would have added on the right side of that. It kind of would have gave, sometimes using a larger balloon instead of another cluster, it does make a big difference, because the clusters has, all, different, it has many different balloons, and it gives it one look versus that large balloon. Yes, it would have been still thicken out the garland, but it's just one large balloon, and it kind of give it a different kind of shape versus just the shape of another cluster on top of it. And I hope this, guys, makes sense. But this is how everything ended up turning out. It was okay. As you guys know, like, I'm really hard on myself, so I really wanted to turn around as I was driving, and like I wanted to go and move that balloon, but I was like, no, what, I'm just leave it as if. The client still loved it. Everything turned out great. It was raining too this day, you guys. We was outside in the rain, but it was kind of like spitting. It wasn't like pouring down right now. But yeah, so this is how everything turned out. It reminds me of something, but I can't think of it. If you guys, let's play a game. Name this shape. I don't know. It looks like something that I've seen before, but I can't put my hand on it. I don't know, some kind of item or something. Let's play around though. Drop in the comments what you think this shape is like. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learn from my mistakes. This is a journey, a process that I'm still using, that I'm still on and will continue to be on as I continue to grow. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.